everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have my June 2019 beauty empties to share with you guys. Sorry if I'm looking like a shiny grease ball. I'm in Northeast Ohio. We're starting to see those higher temperatures. I don't have like central air in my house. I only have window AC, so it is relatively hot. I'm relatively sweaty and I am relatively shiny. So let's get this video started and let me show you guys what I used up for the month of June. So the first item I have here on top is a Bath & Body Works hand soap. This one is in Pineapple Punch. This is the Creamy Luxe hand soap. The scent description on this reads Juicy Mandarin, Pineapple Juice, and a Lime Twist. This was a very nice hand soap. I believe I might have another one back stock, so you guys might see that before summer's over. I also used up a shampoo from Pantene. Actually, this is the conditioner. I used up the shampoo too. So this is the Pantene Pro V Blends. This is the Rose Water Sulfate-Free Conditioner. And OMG, when it comes to this shampoo and conditioner, I absolutely love and adore this. The fragrance on it is absolutely amazing. It is a little bit heftier in price. The smaller bottles are $5.99 each at Target. The larger bottles like this are $9.99. So you're out about 20 bucks on shampoo and conditioner. But if you're like me and you typically buy salon quality hair care products anyway, 20 bucks isn't much on shampoo and conditioner. So I fell in love with this. I gotta burn through some more products in my stockpile before I buy more of this, but this is definitely on my list of items to repurchase because I absolutely love this shampoo and conditioner. So that was the conditioner. Let me show you guys what the shampoo looks like. So the bottle of shampoo looks like that. These are 530 milliliter, 17.9 fluid ounce bottles. So that is what those look like. So I was able to finish those up. I have some nail care products here. These are the Gelish Brush Restore as well as the Gelish Base Coat. If you are a nail dipper, you've probably heard of the Gelish products, and I used to love and adore these, but since Revel reformulated their liquids, I absolutely love the Revel liquids. These ended up getting messed up, so it was time to pass them on. I have recently gone back to doing my nails. I need to do them again this week, but currently I have on Revel Dreamy and Revel Wonderland. I do think that when I do my next mani, I will go ahead and record a video for you guys because I keep saying I'm going to do a video and I haven't done one yet. It's about finding the time because literally when I record my videos, I sit down and just record 3, 4, sometimes 5 videos at a time and just save them to my computer and post them as needed. So this is the Victoria's Secret Tropic Rain Fragrance Lotion. I was happy to finish this up. I am nearly through the body spray, so I'm hoping that in the month of July you guys see the body spray as an empty. The scent description on this one is, it just says rich lotion for nourishing moisture and tropic rain scent. Oh, there we go. Sea spray and beach blossom is the scent description on this. Very nice fragrance. I picked up 2 fragrances from this line when it came out. I picked up the one in the green packaging. I've been working on finishing that up as well. So another liquid product when it comes to nails, this is the Revel Pro Base, and this is one of their new liquids. I was raving about how well their new liquids were. This one had set open, not like with the lid off or anything like that, but I had used it for a couple manicures, and then I had an ongoing bet with my husband that I wouldn't do my nails for a month because he didn't believe me. My nails are weak and they tear and they rip without having anything on them. I absolutely have to dip my nails. So I went a month without using this, and this ended up hardening up. I tried using some of their brush restore or whatever to put in here, and it did not save it. Luckily, their customer service is so amazing. I dropped them a message. They sent me out a new bottle, and they sent me a bonus nail polish to go with it as an apology, as, hey, you know what? Sorry, things didn't work out with our liquids, so we wanted to send you a replacement and send you a free nail color too. So kudos to them for having awesome customer service. So another item I used up, this is the Hollywood, California Glam Glow. This is the Power Mud Dual Cleanse Treatment. I have to say I absolutely hate this mask here. When I put this on, it is like fire on my face. I don't know if I'm the only one who has a reaction like that to the Glam Glow Power Mud. I don't have that issue with other Glam Glow products. Something about this mask here in particular burns my skin so bad. So I'm really happy that this is gone. I would not repurchase that. I have a couple of fragrances here that got finished up. Hallie and I both shared these. This is the Victoria's Secret Love Spell Fragrance Mist. So that is the perfume. It's really nice because it does have the actual spray on it versus the roller ball. This is classic, tried and true Love Spell. Personally, when I wear this, it ends up really getting dirty smelling on me. It doesn't complement my skin and my body fragrance at all. So this one doesn't work out for me, but it smells really nice on her. One that does work on me that we were able to finish up, this is Love Addict Splash. And this was from a limited edition collection. Once again, it does have that spray top. I'm really happy that we were able to finish these up. This one did smell relatively nice on me. So 3 more items left to show you guys for my June empties. I'm pretty proud of myself. I finished way more than I thought. I actually finished this morning, so next time I'm at the drugstore, I have to remember to pick up eyeliner because I'm down to 1 tube that's been open, that's been using, because I always keep 2 open tubes because I go through this relatively quick. This is the L'Oreal Linear Intense Eyeliner. I hands down fell in love with the Lancome Art Liner. I couldn't fathom spending, I think, $28 for a tube of eyeliner. And then I found this has the same exact brush tip, same exact quality to me. $7 at the drugstore. If you catch it on sale, buy one, get one half off. You're getting 2 for $10. Awesome deal. Love that eyeliner. Speaking of Lancome products, I did finish up the Lancome Genifique Youth, it says, cream activated, youth activated eye cream. So that's a mouthful to say. And it was just a little like size that came in one of their gift sets. I really liked this eye cream, but you know what? I'm actually using the Bliss eye cream right now, and I love that one even more. So one last item that I finished up, I'm pretty proud of myself because this was a substantial product. It's not often that I finish up a lot of makeup products. My eyeliner is the easiest thing for me to finish up and use, but I did finish up and use the Becca Backlight Primer, I think this is. First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion. So this is the purple one from Becca, and I was able to finish that up this month. So that is all of my empties for the month of June 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.